With all the research and development happening in the automotive industry, self-driving cars are becoming a reality. Big companies like Google, Tesla, Uber and even Apple are developing self-driving cars. But the question most people are asking is, do we really need these cars on our roads? Is it really worth spending billions to develop autonomous cars? Well, in this video, I will give 5 good reasons why we need autonomous cars on our roads. Reason number 1. Our roads will be safer. It's pretty hard to admit it at first that a car operated by a computer could somehow be safer, but think of it this way. How many car accidents have been caused by some sort of human error, be it speeding, driving recklessly, or inattentiveness? It turns out that an overwhelming majority of accidents have been caused by humans. In fact, a study by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, revealed that 94% of accidents were caused by the drivers themselves. Self-driving cars, on the other hand, are purely analytical, relying on data from radars and other sensors to navigate. There's no emotion involved, and certainly no distractions like cell phones or impairing factors like alcohol to affect the driving performance. The computers in a smart car simply react quicker than our minds can and aren't susceptible to the many potential mistakes we can make on the road. As a result, a future full of self-driving cars will be a safer one. Reason number 2. We will be more productive. Indeed, the time you don't spend driving is a time you can use for other activities. On average, Americans spend 26 minutes commuting to work each day. That's almost an hour per day that's wasted. In 2014, Americans spent an astonishing cumulative total of 29.6 billion hours commuting. Imagine what humanity could do with all that time back. While many already commute on buses or trains, a whole lot of people still travel to work in their own cars. A self-driving car would allow them to get some work done, knock a few emails out, or even get a little extra sleep if they have to wake up early to get to work. Many people find themselves tempted to look at their phones while driving anyway, so why not at least do it safely in a self-driving car? Reason number 3. We can save money. For example, if you don't need to drive, then you don't need a driver's license. And getting a driver's license costs money, so you can potentially save money. It's also true for all the fines you would get if you were driving the car yourself. Also, because autonomous cars are safer, your insurance cost will be lowered as well. An autonomous car will be able to manage its fuel consumption by accelerating only when it is necessary, for example. This could contribute to a reduction of the consumption of the car and then save money for the owner. Number 4. We'll move more efficiently. We've already talked about the benefits self-driving cars will have on the fuel economy of your vehicle, but the improved efficiency of travel thanks to self-driving cars stretches far beyond that benefit. Indeed, self-driving cars are connected to the internet. Their navigation will use GPS programs like Google Maps to automatically generate the quickest possible route. The deliberative architecture in self-driving cars software means the car is also intelligent enough to detect delays and accidents before you arrive at them, so it can reroute the vehicle's path without running into any impediments. Speaking of delays, if we really reach a future where the road is occupied only by self-driving vehicles, even stops at traffic lights and intersections will become a thing of the past. With sensors and scheduling nodes at traffic intersections, along with the ability of cars to communicate back and forth, it's possible that in the future we could see a perfectly efficient roadway featuring only autonomous intersections, in which the car would never have to stop until it reached its destination. Number 5. The environment will thank us. According to the Union of Concerned Scientists, transportation is responsible for over half of the carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide air pollution. While many self-driving cars might still emit these same materials, their improved efficiency would be a huge step forward toward a cleaner future. Part of the reason cars cause so much air pollution is traffic gridlock in highly congested areas. The efficiency of self-driving cars, in addition to the possibility of a future without any gridlock or traffic stops, will cut down on these emissions. If future manufacturers of self-driving cars follow Google's precedent and make electric vehicles, the positive impact on the environment could be even greater. It's worth the benefits to the environment alone to embrace the future of self-driving cars. As self-driving cars continue to get closer and closer to being on our roads, what other benefits are you excited about? Leave a comment below.